So we removed all the handles and the men, and I'm working on sanding the handles down. So if you look here, do you see how this is kind of square? I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's kind of squared off. It's not really rounded. Same here. Feels kind of, it's kind of sharp. So what I decided I'm doing is I'm taking off most of the black, leaving some for accent, and I'm sanding the edges down a lot. So you can see how they look different. And they feel really good. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this sandpaper and I'm using the belt sander to sand. I'm starting it here. I wasn't going to, but it's good hardwood, so it's okay to do that. It's not sanding off too fast. Kind of angling it, taking off most of the or some of the edge, and then being real careful trying to take this edge off, turning it, and then I'm hand sanding. It takes about 15-20 minutes for each handle, and it's a good workout, but the results are really good. I really like them. Very nice, feel very comfortable. And I think they're going to look really cool once I put the oil on them. The other thing I'm doing is at the same time is some of the rods have kind of pits in them. I don't know why or what happened. I guess a little moisture, I don't know. So what I'm doing is I'm sanding that off too. But not real hard on the sanding because it does take the chrome off. And you can see some of the chrome pieces coming off. Just little specks. But I really want it flat, so I'm doing it, and then steel wooling really good. Steel wooling a lot. Let's see, where's some? Well, right there's a spot. Right there's where one spot was, but feels fairly smooth. Looks pretty good. I mean, they're not going to be perfect, but they're quite good. I mean, I'm not going to worry about them. They're going to be fine. Put a little, maybe WD-40, or I got some silicone ordered also. I'll definitely put that where they go through the sleeve. And maybe a little bit of oil or WD-40, or maybe the Z-Zip. Although the Z-Zip, I'm going to use the Z-Zip here, because that'll penetrate and seal that nicely. So that's the handles coming along. I have 3 more to do, and then the handles and bars are ready to go back, except for, well, oiling. To oil them all down. So that should look really sharp.